What is going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing today. I'm going to teach you how to play California Dreamin' by the Mamas and Papas in under 3 minutes, including that flute solo in the middle. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do that, but it's a really cool song and I don't got any more time to waste. So let's put your capo on the 4th fret. Capo on the 4th fret, and I'm going to walk you through all the chords first, and then I'll talk you through some of the strumming techniques. So it goes, all the leaves are A minor, all the G major leaves are F major. I play that with my thumb. Check out my video on the easiest way to play the F major chord, because it's, one of those hard chords. All the leaves are brown, and the sky, that's back to G major, is gray. And now we go to E7. That's one of the coolest, that's what the chord that really makes this whole song. Check out my link in the description below for the chord patterns right there. E7, and the sky is gray, and it goes F major, I've been for a walk, to C major, back to E7, and then A minor on a F major, a winter's E7, back to E7. And those are really all the chords, and then it does it again. So let me strum a little bit. I'd be safe and warm, G, F, G if I was in LA, E7th, and then it goes into the chorus. California, A minor, G, F, on G on such a winter's day, E7th. And I do some build-ups like that right there. And when it goes stopped into a church, you can get a little bit quieter, do like this. And then, explode like this. Walk you through this. Stopped into a church, A minor, G, F, I passed along, G major, E7th, it's all the same chords. Well, I F, got down on my C, E7th, A minor, and I F, pretend to pray, E7th. It just keeps doing it over again. And when it gets to the chorus, it goes California, A minor, G, F, That's it, the same chords over and over again for the verse and chorus, and even in that flute solo at the end. So maybe you can whistle that, or go get a flute. Maybe I'll start a flute guitar lessons channel with lessons under 3 minutes. All right, I'm gonna quit yapping. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for some more simple, super fast lessons. See ya.